Alright, this video is in response to a request from a student on how to find the derivative of 6x times the natural log of 4x. And so let's take a look at it. We're going to differentiate with respect to x the function 6x times the natural log of 4x. Now, upon inspection, this is a product of two functions, 6x times the natural log of 4x. And so on the surface, this is a product rule. So what we'll do is we'll take the derivative of the first function. So the derivative of 6x is 6. So that's the derivative of the first. We need to multiply that by the second function, the natural log of 4x. Then we need to add to that the first function, 6x, times the derivative of the natural log of 4x. Now this one's a little more involved. The derivative of natural log of something is 1 over that argument. So in this case, 1 over 4x. So that's the outer derivative. This is a chain rule derivative, though, because the input to the function natural log is also a function. So we have to apply the chain rule and also multiply by the derivative of the inner function, which is 4x. The derivative of 4x is 4. So again, we have the product rule, the derivative of the first, that's 6, times the second function, just copy the second function, plus the first function times the derivative of the second function. The derivative of natural log is 1 over. But then we have a function as the input to the natural log, so by the chain rule we have to multiply by the derivative of the inner function, 4x, which just gives us 4. So finally, if we just clean this up a little bit, 6 times natural log of 4x, can't do anything with that. But when we multiply all this together, the 4 divided by 4 is 1, and the x divided by x is 1. So all that's left for the second half of our product rule is just 6 when we simplify it. So the derivative of 6x times the natural log of 4x is 6 natural log of 4x plus 6.